Hello and welcome. My name is Rebecca and I am the temporary housewife. Today's recipe was inspired by one of Jessica Odonohue's What's for Dinner videos. She made this and I was like, maybe I can make this, so I did. It's spaghetti pie, it's easy, delicious, and of course I gave it the Puerto Rican twist. Ingredients are sofrito, adobo with dried oregano, minced garlic, Italian seasoning, of course some freshly shredded mozzarella cheese, sazón, eggs, chicken bouillon, pasta sauce, and grated Parmesan. About a pound of ground beef and spaghetti. We're going to start by heating up our pan to a medium-high heat, and that is to brown our meat. You're going to then add your meat once your pan is heated, and hear that sizzle. I love it. You're going to add your adobo with the oregano. I went ahead and started breaking down my meat a little bit with this wonderful meat masher. I got it as a gift and it's amazing, guys. I added sofrito, minced garlic, and I mixed it in. Now you're going to add your chicken bouillon and sazón. You're going to mix very well. Now I am going to add the pasta sauce. I also added a cup of water afterward. You're going to mix that well. And you're going to let it stew while you get your pasta water ready. I'm going to salt my water, and I'm going to bring that pot of water to a boil. Once it boiled, I poured in my pasta. You're going to want to stir it so that it doesn't stick. And here I am greasing my pan, my casserole dish. You don't want anything to stick. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my eggs with the Parmesan cheese. Now you see 2 eggs there, but I ended up adding a 3rd egg because I thought it was a little too dry. So 3 eggs. I added the Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, and I'm going to whisk well so that everything incorporates. Once everything was mixed well and my noodles had cooled, I'm going to go ahead and add them to the egg mixture. And I'm going to toss it all together so that every little noodle gets coated in that egg mixture. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour my noodles into my baking dish. And you see me here moving the noodles around with the spatula. What I am doing is creating a little well in the center. So you want the noodles, the spaghetti noodles, to come up on the walls, on the sides, and you want that well in the center so that you can pour your meat sauce into, which you see me do now. I added some more sauce. At the end, I think I needed more sauce. For next time, I will try adding more sauce. And you're gonna spread it all. Now you're going to add your delicious shredded mozzarella. And this is, you know, as you like it. I ended up adding some cheddar cheese too, and some Parmesan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover this, put it in the oven at 350 for like half an hour, and this is how it turned out. Now I'm gonna higher my oven to 400, and I'm gonna put it back in because I want it to get nice brown and bubbly at the top. And this is what it looked like after that. I let it rest for about 10 minutes, and I'm just slicing into it like I would slice a lasagna. And here she is, all served up and beautiful. This was definitely a hit at our house. We'll be making it again for sure. Now this recipe, you can do what I did. See the original, make it your own, tweak it to your liking, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see some more, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for spending this time with me, and buen provecho.